y'all, today I'm going to be talking about these Reebok sneakers that I got. I've worn them a few times now, and so I wanted to tell you my experience with them. One, they are super comfortable and I like the look of them. They're great for like outside of work or wearing to work. I actually wear them to work with like dress slacks or a pair of jeans, and they look so cute. They're neutral colors. There's a variation of colors, but I wanted to go over the color that I got because I absolutely love it. The details are really gentle. This isn't white, it's like an off-white and ivory. So you can get it like a little bit dirty without it being too noticeable. Additionally, this bottom is like a super gentle pink. You really can't tell unless you're up close. It's really light and really gentle. And then the back has like this fun cheetah print. It's a little bit of a metallic. So it has a pop of color, but not too much, so it can still go with everything. I like that it's neutral because it matches all of my outfits, work and both outside of work, casual. And like I said, you can dress them up with a pair of black dress slacks, or you can dress them down with a pair of jeans, a pair of leggings. Right now I'm going to style them with a pair of leggings and show you what they look like. So they're really cute and casual. Like I said, I'm just wearing them with a pair of leggings. The other thing I wanted to note is they're true to size. I'm normally a size 7.5, and these are a size 7.5, and they fit me perfectly. So no need to size up or down. Just go with whatever your normal size is.